Alright, here we are going to look into what is an electric circuit. Alright, electric circuit is a continuous conducting path and it is between the terminals of a source of a electric energy, that is a battery or a cell, and through wires and other components such as resistance along which the electric current can flow. Here is the figure of an electric circuit. Here we will see that this is a circuit in which this is a conductor. The conductor is given in the form of a fixed resistance, okay, that is a wire. Alright, there is a potential difference created across these two, that is by means of a battery, that is a cell with positive end and negative end is connected at one end and the negative end is connected at the other end. There is a switch through which the current can either flow. When the switch is closed, we say that it means when the switch is adjoining the two ends, we say that it is a closed circuit and the current can flow. That is positive, it is flowing to the negative side. And when the switch is open, that is when there is a break in the, we call it, there is a break in the circuit. This is called as an open circuit. Then there is a break in the circuit, shows that the current cannot flow through the circuit. This is a device which is called as an ammeter. An ammeter records the amount of current which is flowing, how much current is flowing through the circuit. Then this is a rheostat. A rheostat is such an arrangement which can increase or decrease the current that is flowing through the circuit. Alright, by pushing up and down, you can either decrease or increase the current that is flowing through the circuit. And this is a voltmeter. Voltmeter will record the potential difference that is passing, that is between the two ends of the conductor. Now these are the symbols, different symbols. There are different symbols in your textbooks. That is, this is a symbol of a wire, right? This is a symbol of a resistance, all right, a fixed resistance. This is a symbol for a closed switch, all right, and a symbol for an open switch also is there. Then this is a symbol for the ammeter, which is a device to record the current. Then we have got the symbol for, this is not so important for the time being, so I won't go into them. Alright, this is a symbol for an electric cell, that is a battery, positive end and negative end. This is a symbol for an electric bulb. Alright, this is the symbol for the rheostat. It can be this way or this way. This is another device that is known as the galvanometer. Then we have another device which is a voltmeter to measure the potential difference across the conductor. Okay. This is an open switch. That is, open switch can be drawn this way or this way. And these are two wires which are not connected with each other. Alright, so one is drawn straight, one is drawn with a loop over the other. Now there are two types of circuit that I have told just now, closed electric circuit and open electric circuit. Now when we look at the very important part, that is Ohm's law. Right? What is this Ohm's law? It is nothing but it is the relationship between the current, that is I, right? The current that is passing through the conductor, and the potential difference applied across its ends, that is V. That is the potential difference. So this is the current that is flowing the conductor. According to Ohms, this current, electric current, which is flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference that is applied across its ends, provided all the physical conditions remain the same. That is, I is directly proportional to V. This is Ohm's law. Now, if you remove this sign of proportionality, that is, I can also write this I directly proportional to V as V directly proportional to I. Now this V, if I remove this proportionality sign, it will be equal sign, and there is the constant, here this constant is R, we call this as the resistance of the conductor. So your relationship becomes V is equal to IR. If the current passing through the conductor is 1 ampere, then V is equal to R. That means we have this, all right. Verification of Ohm's law. I'm going to show it by through a video, but I'm going to tell you in brief about the verification of Ohm's law. Here we have Ohm's law in our textbook. All right. When we see that the SI unit here of okay.